This is why your construction company needs NIST compliance. Now, in today's digital landscape, cybersecurity is crucial for every industry, including construction. With increasing cyber threats, many construction companies must follow NIST cybersecurity guidelines. But what is NIST compliance and why does it matter? The NIST cybersecurity framework provides best practices for managing cybersecurity risks. For construction companies, complying with NIST means protecting sensitive data like blueprints and client info. Failing to comply can lead to breaches, data loss, and even losing contracts. Impress IT Solutions in Houston specializes in helping construction companies achieve NIST compliance. They offer tailored support in risk assessment, implementing security controls, and continuous monitoring. Plus, they help develop incident response plans and provide regular compliance audits. With Impress IT Solutions, construction companies can enhance security, build trust, and reduce financial risks. Ready to safeguard your business against cyber threats? Reach out to Impress IT Solutions today, your trusted partner in NIST compliance.